Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Chi-square genetics questions look scary, but this one moves fast. We will turn lizard color counts into Hardy-Weinberg expectations and spot the closest value. First, use the observed phenotype counts from the table to find allele frequencies, especially P for allele A, because incomplete dominance lets each genotype match a visible color directly. Next, assume Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium and convert those allele frequencies into expected genotype frequencies. Then multiply by the total of 100 lizards to get expected counts for each color phenotype. Then plug observed and expected counts into the chi-square formula, add all category contributions, and the total lands closest to 23.1, which matches option D. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given information and check steps before choosing the chi-square value.